Hello everyone, today we are going to introduce some Taiwan's best food. Now I'm in Taidong's night market. Follow me to take some delicious food. Let's go. Taiwanese traditional food, stinky tofu, is generally found at night markets, roadside stands, or as a side dish in lunch bars. It represents one aspect of the Taiwanese culture. Stinky tofu is well known for its special process. Most typically, stinky tofu contains tofu which has been marinated in brine and fermented vegetables. Stinky tofu can be eaten after preserving for several weeks to several months. Oyster omelets are another Taiwanese snack that every visitor should try. They are made of eggs, oysters, and vegetables that are fried in a pan, and are eaten with a specially made sauce. Sometimes, oysters are replaced with shrimp or squid. Bubble tea is one distinctive Taiwanese drink that is becoming popular around the world. It was first invented in Taichung, central Taiwan, in the 1980s, when a tea shop owner decided to try something new. He mixed fruit syrup, tea, and other ingredients together until he stumbled upon a delicious new drink. Since then, the popularity of bubble tea has spread around the world, and new types of the drink are being invented every day. One of the most famous examples is pearl milk tea, made using black tea, milk, and chewy tapioca balls. A bowl of glazed oyster vermicelli should have a thick, flavorful soup base, while the thin rice noodles and oysters should still retain their distinct texture. Some people will add chopped intestines for a funky dimension to the soup. It is a gooey, sloopable dish, more soup than noodle, with an intense briny taste. Tempura refers to fish paste that has been molded into various shapes and sizes, deep fried, then boiled in a broth. Before eating, the pieces of soiled fish paste are taken out of the broth and smothered in brown sauce. Doesn't sound like much, but it delivers plenty of the sweet flavors and chewy textures beloved by Taiwanese. Tempura is basically a Taiwan take on Japanese oden, with more sugariness, together fish cakes, and a signature sauce. After finishing the pieces of fish cakes, there's more to come. Get some soup from the vendor and add it to the remaining sauce in the bowl. Mix and drink the flavor bomb. Thank you everyone. Goodbye.